Hi everyone, here we've got OUKITEL WP5 and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, let's tap on it, and right now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Now let's tap on the backup option, let's enter, and as you can see all we have to do right now is simply turn on this option just by tapping on this switcher here right next to it. And as you can see, immediately under it we've got the account option on which we can tap in order to add a backup account, and to make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And from this step we can either create a new backup account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Okay, let's tap on next. Now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read them, just tap on it and here you will receive all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so your device will backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings and text messages. So let's tap on accept. And here we've got the same info, so here we've got listed all of the things which the backup includes. So let's simply tap on OK, and as you can see our Google backup account has been immediately added to our device, and from now on all the content will be stored and saved on your Google Drive. So actually that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup in your OUKITEL WP5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.